Have you ever thought about creating your own YouTube channel? Dreamt of sharing your passions, interests, or talents with the world? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to walk through the process of creating a YouTube channel, step by step. First things first, you need a Google account. If you don't have one, don't worry. Creating one is simple. Head over to the Google homepage, click on Sign In at the top right corner, then Create Account. Next, navigate to YouTube. Click on Sign In at the top right corner and enter your Google account details. Once you're signed in, look for your user icon in the top right corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Create a Channel. A new page will load, asking you to name your channel. This is an important step, so take your time. Your channel name should be catchy, easy to remember, and ideally, it should give a hint about the content you'll be sharing. After choosing your channel name, it's now time to personalize your channel. Start by adding a profile picture. This could be a logo, a picture of yourself, or anything else that represents your channel. Next, write a compelling channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. But remember, keep it concise and engaging. Now, let's move on to the channel art. This is the large banner that appears at the top of your channel. It's another opportunity to grab viewers' attention, so make it count. After setting up your channel art, it's time to add links to your social media accounts. This step is optional, but it's a great way to build a bigger online presence and connect with your audience on different platforms. Finally, you have the option to add a channel trailer. This short video should give viewers a quick overview of what they can expect from your channel, and there you have it. You've just created your own YouTube channel. It's a straightforward process, but it's only the beginning. To summarize, here are the steps. 1. Create a Google account if you don't have one already. 1. Sign into YouTube using your Google account. 1. Click on your user icon and select Create a Channel. 1. Choose a catchy channel name. 1. Personalize your channel by adding a profile picture, writing a channel description, and setting up channel art. 1. Optionally, add links to your social media accounts. 1. Lastly, consider adding a channel trailer. Remember, creating a channel is just the first step. The real work begins with creating content that resonates with your audience. So, brainstorm video ideas, start filming, and most importantly, have fun with it. Your YouTube journey starts now.